Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be cleaning the interior of the LS with Chemical Guy's Fabric Clean and their medium carpet brush. I'm going to go ahead and get a couple stains that's been in the carpets, see how this product works, let you guys know. Alright, so I went ahead and added 2 squirts of the fabric cleaner to an empty bottle of warm water to dilute it. And then from there I attached the brush to the drill. The next step you're going to want to do is pretty much vacuum any dirt or any debris that's left over in the car before you apply. So I'm going to go ahead and start on that. Alright guys, so pretty much a couple things I'm going to be trying to target is going to be this section right here and a couple of other things, as you can see, mainly the footwell right there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit those spots, spray the fabric cleaner on there. Pretty much want to cover any area that you're going to want to clean. And then I will go ahead and let that sit for about a good 3 to 5 minutes. And then from there, go ahead and hit it with the drill brush. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit it with the drill brush. Alright, so this is after brushing. Still haven't extracted none of the dirt or anything up. Just pretty much worked it in with the brush. And it looks a lot different. A lot cleaner. Of course, right here I have to wipe that down. Put some more work into that area. But, I mean, it's working so far. We'll see how it looks when I get to the back. Alright guys, so this is the back. That area that I was worried about that had a lot of stains, it looks like it picked that up. So I still gotta extract whatever's left in the carpet, but this is a brush. Picked up a lot of dirt. So I'll give you guys the final result once I get done extracting this. Alright guys, so this is the end result of the front. Cleaned up pretty nice. There are a little bit of areas still that maybe need to get extracted more, but I mean, for the meantime, that area cleaned up. This area is cleaned up. Probably have to go back over that. Let's go check out the rear. Rear cleaned up nicely. So your guys' question, yes, I do recommend the Chemical Guy's fabric cleaner. It worked. It did its job. You guys seen the stains in the carpet to the end result. So I'm pretty pleased with how it worked. But that's it for today, guys. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram if you guys don't. Also make sure you hit that notification bell to get the latest updates on the videos. You guys stay tuned. Thank you.